In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make projections with Google Sheets. If you want a quick, reliable way to estimate future sales or growth without getting deep into statistics, this method will become your go-to. We'll use a single function, keep the setup simple, and finish with a clean chart that looks great in any report. Start with a sheet that has your historical dates in one column and your past results in another. Make sure your dates are real dates that Sheets recognizes, and your results are numbers with no blanks. Now, click the cell where you want your forecast to appear. Type equals forecast, then follow this order. First, click the future date you want to predict. Add a comma. Next, highlight your past results, the numbers you've already recorded. Add another comma. Finally, highlight your past listing. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. That's it. Behind the scenes, Google Sheets looks at the relationship between your historical dates and results, finds the linear trend, and projects that trend forward to your chosen future date. This works best when your data moves in a roughly straight line over time, and your dates are spaced consistently, like daily, weekly, or monthly. To scale this quickly, lock your past data ranges. Add dollar signs to those ranges so they don't shift when you copy the formula. In practice, that means converting something like A2 A25 into $1 through $1.25. If you prefer a shortcut, when your cursor is on a range in the formula, press F4 to toggle absolute references. With the ranges locked, you can drag the formula down to project multiple future periods, next week, next month, or even a full year, without reselecting anything. Now for a professional finish. Turn your historical data and forecast into a line chart. Highlight your date column along with both your past results and your new forecast values. Then insert a chart and choose a line chart. You'll see your historical line, plus a perfectly straight forecast line extending into the future. Consider formatting the forecast line with a contrasting color or a dash style so it's clear which points are predicted. If your dates don't display correctly on the horizontal axis, set the axis type to date for a clean timeline. Use this setup to predict the future and plan your growth with confidence. Update your past data as new results come in, and your forecasts will adjust instantly. Thanks for watching, and follow for more Google Sheets tips.